What's going on, guys? Biker Dave here. This is a 2025 Denago Nomad, and they've made a few changes to it, from the 24 model. Windscreen is one. It now has the same key card mechanism as the Rover, same screen as the Rover, so a lot of things have been transferred over from the Rover. But one issue, we had one brand new one sold to a customer. He only drove it 2 miles, and then it started completely stopping. It would basically only roll about a foot or so, and it would just click and stop, but all power was still on the unit. So the power would all be normal on the unit, as far as on the screen and everything looked normal. You try to reset the battery also. It's got a on-off switch for the lithium battery, that right there. That didn't matter either. It basically only roll about a foot or two and then just click and stop. Well, and finally, I don't have the code number, but a fault code would show up on the screen. I don't recall what it was, unfortunately, because I didn't do the work to it. But the encoder for the controller was the problematic device. Had to be replaced. Who knows why? It only had 2 miles on it. It was not abused, just driven normally. But yeah, the controller's encoder had to be replaced. So just go on that symptom. If your cart rolls for just a couple of feet, clicks and stops, and nothing you do solves it, that's worth a shot. And your local Denago dealer should be able to get that part from you under warranty. Just note that Denago does not pay labor warranty for repairs that are covered. The dealership has to front that bill as far as the actual labor. So that's a negative, I would say. If you own a Denago, or if you're a Denago dealer, yeah, the manufacturer does not pay for labor on warranties. Anyway, I know a lot of you may not know that, but that's 100% true. So be understanding if your dealer kind of pushes back on you for warranty repairs, because it's going to come out of their pocket, basically, as far as the time involved to do it. Anyway, that's it. I'll do another video about the new brake mechanism release that's brand new on the 25 model. I'll do that in a few minutes. But yeah, if you're in Woodstock, Georgia, or on the north side of Atlanta, if you're looking for a Denago dealer, look up Golf Cars of Woodstock. I'll put links down below. And they're a club car dealer, Denago dealer, Star dealer. So check them out online, and you'll have a great day. We'll see you later.